All right. Let's talk about it. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, X, Facebook. So many ways to put out content, so many platforms to drop videos and get paid. So let's talk about it. It's all the rage. You hear it, content creation. You gotta make content, you gotta make videos, you gotta do this, you gotta do that. Especially if you have a business, especially if you want additional income. These are things that you see all the top people talking about, Gary Vee, some of these other people. But I'm here to tell you that content creation is the future, and everyone needs to put the camera in their face and hit record, or you can go faceless. But you need to start putting out content. No, not just the people can like you and see you dance around, or see what's in your life, or see what's in your personal life. But I teach entrepreneurship. I teach bossing up on this channel. And everybody who's looking at this is their own business owner, is their own entrepreneur. Even if you're a gig driver, you drive Uber, DoorDash, you're a 1099 delivery driver. That means you're an independent operator. That means you are your own boss. You are your own business. And this content creation will drive sales, will drive revenue to your business. How? I'm just the Uber driver, okay? I'm just a DoorDash driver, okay? I don't have a business. I don't need people to see me to get more money. But you're thinking short-sighted. If you are a content creator and you do gig work, the amount of opportunities that are out there for other gigs to see you work, you will be amazed about how many other new apps reach out to me, Boss Up with K, because they see my YouTube channel promoting other gig apps, and they want their gig app promoted. They want their gig app talked about. They want me to review their new gig app, or they want me to be an ambassador in the area that they're growing in. I've had 2 companies reach out to me that they're going to get started in the Atlanta area, and I was available to start their program and, try to, test out their app, ins and outs, do's and don'ts in the city, some high traffic areas for a food delivery app. One was a food delivery app. Another one was for a cargo van rental. So you can rent out, download the app. It's kind of like Turo, where you can rent vans and pickup trucks and other like delivery type vehicles through an app. Now, one of them folded. It was called, I can't even remember the name of it right now. Not Bunge. Jesus Christ, I can't remember the name of it. It'll come to me in a second. But that company actually went out of business. They was around for about 2 years. I had my van listed on there. They had some money with some funding problems and stuff like that. Not the important part, but I got a nice check just to being a part of their program and being one of the only few people in the Atlanta area that was renting vans. All the market share, all the business was coming to me. So it worked out. All right. And then, some other companies reach out, and also having social proof like this and recording on your YouTube channel. It's a resume builder. People see what you're doing. People see how you operate. People see how professional you are, and they willing to take a chance. So I sent me a video of doing Medical Courier deliveries to MedZoomer, and that's how I got on with them a lot sooner. Little baby. That's how I got on with them a lot sooner and started delivering. So this content creation is not all about ads and making money from people watching your video. It's a business expander. It can help grow your little business or into a bigger business. But that's the first way to, utilize social media and utilize these platforms in your benefit. And then also, of course, the ad revenue. I think January 2022 was when I first got this channel monetized. So I've been monetized for over 2 years now, and kind of generating around about $1,500 to $2,000 a month on this channel. The highest grossing month I had was about maybe $4,000 a month. Not life-changing money, but somebody watching this is more than what they get paid on a monthly basis. I'm not here to brag. I'm not doing that to stun on nobody. I'm just telling you how easy it is. I have no videography experience. I have no graphic arts experience. I just went on, looked on YouTube, show how to make thumbnails, seen people record on their phone. I just turned my phone around and started recording. That simple. My channel grew. I think I'm over like 50,000 subs on this channel. I have another channel, Credit K, where I'm over 30,000 subs on that one. So it's growing. TikTok, I have about 50,000 subs. So there's different ways and different methods. Once you start doing this, you start seeing what works, what doesn't work. You can look at other people's videos, look at other people's thumbnails. Don't copy their content verbatim, but see what works. See if a content creator putting out the same information, well, maybe their thumbnails are better. Maybe their intros are a little bit more clear. Maybe they have, better camera, better audio. Things of that nature can help elevate you from the next content creator and get more views. And that's the name of the game on YouTube, is just getting as many views as you can. And thumbnails and the title triggers 90% of views on YouTube. Yes, even on all majority video platforms, but YouTube in particular, because they have the thumbnail thing where, the video is just frozen. But like Instagram, TikTok, you're kind of scrolling. So it's all about the first 5 seconds on those type platforms. If you don't hook somebody in the first 5 seconds, even YouTube Shorts, if you don't hook somebody in the first 5 seconds, they're going to keep scrolling. So putting, messages on the screen on your shorts before they even scroll, they can read what the video is about. And then, of course, with thumbnails, that makes it the best for you to be profitable, all right? So these are some of the things I'm telling you to do if you want to be profitable in making content. But just be yourself. I don't care how old you are. I don't care how young you are, how unexperienced you are. I'm 40 years old. Of course, hard to tell. But yes, I'm 40 years old. I started this YouTube channel when I was, about 39, something like that. So I started that YouTube venture and it's growing for me. And it has led to so many more opportunities. Now that my channel is growing, I'm starting to get like some sponsorship opportunities. So this is like the third way to get paid or benefit from content creation. So no matter how old you are, how young you are, you have something that people want to know about. You're knowledgeable, especially the older you are, whether it's cooking, auto repair, HVAC, sales, teaching. If you're real good at teaching math, people want to know, hey, I got a car tutorial, me changing a light bulb. It's one of the best view videos on this channel is me changing a light bulb on one of my older cars. People still commenting three years later. So it doesn't really matter how good your quality, your videos are. If you're sharing valuable information, people will want to know, people will tune in, people will click. They may not subscribe. So a lot of these people are one-off, especially for that car light bulb changing video. I noticed a lot of those are just kind of one-off people, not really subscribing. They watch the video, they got the information, they benefited, they commented saying how much they enjoyed the video, how much value, how much money I saved them. Because, going to a dealership, getting a light bulb change in your car can run you about $350. You can do this for free with that. So teaching people is a great way to gain subscribers, to gain income, and to gain revenue doing content creation. So like I said, that's why I say no matter your demographic, your age, sex, location, no matter where you are, overseas, out the country, people want to know what you know. And people need to know certain things they can't figure out. They want to fix it themselves, especially with the economy the way it is. A lot more people are going to YouTube University to try to fix things. So if you're knowledgeable on anything, start you a niche channel, start you a niche around what you're mastered in, what you've been doing for the past 20, 30 years that you've been working, and start recording it. Trust me, if you're having trouble finding a job, if you have a skill in something, start recording yourself doing that and attach that to your resume and start sending that out to employers. But the beauty thing about YouTube and these platforms like TikTok, they're heavily search engine optimized. YouTube is owned by Google, one of the top searches, and TikTok is one of the best platforms for organic reach, meaning people, you don't have to have a big following, a big name. If you got a cool, interesting video, TikTok will put it out to a bunch of people, and a lot of people will see it. For my office space business, I get a lot of clients who want to rent out offices, who may just need an address for their business in Atlanta, just off my TikTok video that's over 2 years old. People still get views. I still get calls on that video. And how I know it's from that video, because the pricing on it is like $300 a month, but I raised my pricing up to $500 a month now. So that's neither here nor there either. But that's how I know people are actually watching that video, because they're still asking me if the price is still $300. Like I said, that video is over 2 years old. Crazy, right? I know. So that is another thing that they talk about when doing content curation, is how it can benefit your existing businesses, how it can lead to a new business, and grow your existing revenue through ad monetization, ad revenue, things of that nature. And then the fourth way to get paid is just like soliciting or leaving links under your videos for people to click on. I get a lot of ad revenue, what they call referral revenue, from people clicking on links. And every time they purchase something through that link, I get an income from the purchase. I get money from the purchase. So like my courier course, or like a gas card or something like that, every time you click on it, you sign up, you get activated, they kick me back a little something. Both of us get something. So I got some business bank accounts, some gas cards, some courier information down in the description. So go ahead and click on that, get those, learn a little bit. Or if you want to book a consultation, I use these videos to do consultation to help people out. People ask questions. They want to know what's the best courier apps, the best companies in their area. I've done the research already, and I can tell them with a small consultation fee. So I do credit, business credit repair, and courier and logistics business information. So if you want to book a consultation, holla at me. But I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm just telling you here how to benefit from content creation, benefit from YouTube. And I want everybody to turn the camera around and hit record. You can even put a mask on your face, a bag on your face. You can hold the camera up in the air. But if you're giving out information that people want to hear, they will tune in, they will listen. You don't have to worry about looking all perfect and sounding perfect, your camera being perfect, your audio being perfect. Just start and grow from there. Try out different things, and you'll see what works for you. And once you find out what works for you, keep going, go harder, and boss up, baby, until we out the 9-to-5 rat race. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I appreciate you guys watching me over the years, man. Leave a comment where you from, where you watching this video at. I want to know where you're at. I'm about to do some meet and greets in some different cities coming up that I'm traveling to. So let's go.